And welcome back, Physical and Health Education 10. Just going to scroll down here to the final project and have a look. So what you're going to do for the final project, you completed your 80 hours of activity, all the assignments, quizzes, projects in the 4 units, and I want you to come up with a bit of a portfolio broken into 5 sections. Template down here for you to follow. Complete each of the 5 sections. Use images to enhance, preferably of yourself. Some examples and connections. And you can present this in any way. It says here, any of these ways. If you have a different way that you want to try and present that, let me know. I'm open to many different options, as I know there's many different kinds of learners and people present things are more confident in different ways. So if you have an idea that you want to present this to me, that's fine. That aren't one of these ones. So again, final project. I look forward to seeing this from you very soon.